Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by creating the canvas. Open Drive, choose New Right Arrow More Right Arrow Google Drawings. Give the file a clear name so you can find it later. Next, set page size from File Right Arrow Page Setup so your layout matches output dimensions. Turn on View Right Arrow Snap to Grid and Grid Lines to align objects consistently. This prevents drifting elements as you work. Once done, place a background shape or image to lock the visual frame. This gives you a structured workspace to build on. You add content using the shape, line, and text tools on the toolbar. Click then drag to place. After placing, open Format options to change fill color, border weight, and transparency so that hierarchy is obvious. Group related objects with Ctrl+G to move or resize them together. This saves time when scaling. Use Arrange Right Arrow Align and Distribute for even spacing, and use arrow keys for fine nudges. Once done, lock or regroup layers to avoid accidental edits during final adjustments. You finish by exporting the drawing using File Right Arrow Download. Choose SVG for vector, PNG or JPG for images, or PDF for print-ready output. Before exporting, check version history and name key versions so you can revert if something breaks. If elements misalign or disappear, make sure grid lines and snap to grid are set. Ungroup, regroup, and reapply alignment. If problems persist, refresh the tab or copy all elements into a new drawing. This often clears
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.